Assalamualaikum friends, you are watching my YouTube channel Malik Technical. First of all, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Malik Technical. Today I am here with a new amazing site which name is Tech Finance. It is very amazing token site and you can earn a huge profit in future. So in this video I will give the complete review of Tech Finance. By buying their tokens from their pre-sale you can generate a huge profit. I will give you full review of this token and we also discuss about their benefits and their features and all necessary information that we should have in our mind before investing or buying their tokens. So see my complete video without skipping because it is very beneficial for you. In this video we discuss about their white paper, their tokenomics and their roadmap. This token is very beneficial for you because you can earn a huge profit in future. So do not waste your time and buy their tokens. So before starting my video, I request you all to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see my every videos first. So now I can give you a little introduction about Dick Finance. Welcome to Dick Finance, a community-driven DeFi token. And the Dick Finance card lets users spend their cryptocurrency in real time at over 40 million locations worldwide, bringing everyone closer to their dreams. So here you can see their token sale is live, time is up, sorry, and you can buy DEC tokens is then we can you can see their easy integration, secure and seamless integration with our wallets. Easy on the fly, instantly reload your card with no conversation fee. Then we discuss about their utility, a token with a real use case, powerful community backing. Then we discuss about their flexibility, designed for people who wants to live life on crypto. Then we discuss about their Dick Finance platform. The Dick Finance platform. Dick Finance platform is dedicated to providing an avenue for easy holding, spending, and withdrawal of cryptocurrencies. It creates an ecosystem whereby the majority of the unbanked population and crypto enthusiasts will be eased into the usage and importance of cryptos. Tick Finance is an online cryptocurrency bank with the ability to dispense the duties of a physical bank while offering its numerous users an impeccable service. Here you can see their points. Cryptocurrency debit card number 1, number 2 is payment gateway, number 3 is financial services loans, number 4 is global crypto transfer, and number 5 is blockchain development. Here you can see their Dick Finance enhancing the usage and importance of cryptocurrencies, giving more power to crypto. Dick Finance is creating a platform for millions of crypto enthusiasts and those who cherish a switch away from the traditional mode of banking. We are creating a digital banking ecosystem where it will be easier to carry out transactions and other financial services using cryptocurrencies while making it easier for people to deposit, hold, spend, and also withdraw their cryptocurrencies and offering a top-notch security system for their portfolio. Then we discuss about their giving more power to your cryptos, spend your cryptos anywhere. $50 billion USD accepted revenue of coins by 2023, 800 million potential clients worldwide, 1% fixed for international payments, 8x faster transaction speed. After the discussion of This we can discuss about their roadmap. How it all started. July 2021 website launch and marketing push. Influencer marketers requirement, more stops requirement. September 2021 listing on PancakeSwap and CoinGecko. More marketing is 5 lakh Telegram members getting the necessary certifications and involving the legal team. November 2021 launch of Tick Finance exchange platform. Registration for Tick Finance debit cards, redesign of the website, more marketing awareness, partnership with MasterCard. Then June 2022 distribution of Tick Finance cards, entering the Asian and African market, opening new offices in Asia and Africa, partnering with financial institutions for easy integration of our API and services. January 2023 expansion. Setting up offices in Europe, more partnership works, empowering more crypto related startups on the finance platform. Here you can see their token sale. We can discuss how to buy our tokens. Start September 15, 2021, 2 p.m. UTC. Card cap 300 BNB, then soft cap 150 BNB, token deck. Exchange rate to be announced. Project protocol BEP20. Payment methods. DAC or token contract address. Contract address will be announced soon. Their token address cannot be announced, so their token address will be announced soon. The address is for the Tick Finance token contract. If it is not a deposit address, do not send tokens to it. So you can buy DAC tokens on PancakeSwap. Token structure. How to buy our tokens. Tick Finance token will be listed on PancakeSwap after our pre-sale. We are working hard at getting listed on other exchanges such as Hotbit, Bilex3, Bittrex and Binance. So 20% burned, 5% reserved for marketing, 5% added as liquidity, 5% advisors. So after this we discuss about their white paper. If you want to get information in details regarding their projects, so you have to need to download the white paper in details. And here you will find out each and every answers of your questions that you have in your mind. So we discussed about their white paper, Tick Finance white paper. Tick Finance platform is dedicated to providing an avenue for easy holding, spending and withdrawal of cryptocurrencies. It creates an ecosystem where majority of the unbanked population and crypto enthusiasts will be able to put their cryptos into perfect use and thereby adding more value to cryptocurrency and aiding the global adoption of cryptocurrencies for financial payment and services. Then we discuss about will the Tick Finance platform be available worldwide? Yes, we are working with the legal team at making sure Tick Finance adheres to all the laws guiding the formation, operation and delivering of services for a digital financial institution. Since we are going to be catering to millions of users, measures are being put in place to better secure the platform. Then we discuss about will some of the tokens be burned? Sometimes burns matter, sometimes they do not. A continuous burn on any one protocol can be nice in the early days. However, this means the burn cannot be finite or controlled in any way. Having burns controlled by the team and promoted based on achievements helps to keep the community rewarded and informed. The conditions of the mutual burn, manual burn and the amounts can be advertised and tracked. TIC aims to implement a bund strategy that is beneficial and rewarding for those engaged for the long term. Furthermore, the total number of TIC Finance token will be announced on the website, which allows for further transparency in identifying the current circulating supply at any given point of time. Then we discuss about the liquidity pool. Automatic liquidity pool is important to TIC Finance. Here we have a function that acts as a twofold beneficial implementation for holders. First, the contract sucks up tokens from sellers and buyers alike and adds them to the liquidity pool, creating a solid price floor. Second, and the penalty acts as an arbitrage resistant mechanism that secures the volume of TIC Finance as a reward for the holders. In theory, the added liquidity pool creates a stability from the supplied liquidity pool by adding the tax to the overall liquidity of the token, thus increasing the token's overall liquidity pool and supporting the price floor of the token. This is different from the burn function of other tokens, which is only beneficial in the short term from the granted reduction of supply. As the TIC Finance liquidity pool increases, the price stability mirrors this function with the benefit of a solid price floor and cushion for holders. The goal here is to prevent the larger dips when whales decide to sell their tokens later in the game, which keeps the price from fluctuating as much as if there was no automatic liquidity pool function. All of this is an effort to alleviate some of the troubles we have seen with the current TAFE reflection tokens. We are confident that this model and protocol will prevail over the outdated reflection tokens for these reasons. Here you can see their tokenomics. We already discussed it. So this is my video. I thanks to all to see my complete video. At the end of my video, I recommend you all to follow and subscribe their social medias. If you have interest or if you have to invest their sites, you can follow on Instagram and Telegram. So again, thanks to see my complete video. Allah Hafiz.